Alright, so we got something pretty major going on here. 23B08 is the extended coverage campaign now on new vehicle demonstration holds. Let me flip this around, I'll show you what I'm looking at here. This is what we're looking at here. Extended Coverage Program 23B08, New Vehicle Demonstration Delivery Hold. Let's look at the dealer bulletin. Effective March 1st, 2021. Okay, no, that's the middle. You can go up here to the top. Right here. New Vehicle Recommended Demonstration Delivery Hold. Certain 23 model year Explorer, Bronco, Ranger vehicles equipped with a 2.3 liter gas engine. Recommended engine replacement. Immediately. Do not sell to the customer. Replace the engine. And why is that? Let's find out. Let's go down here. In all of the affected vehicles, a damaged tool used during engine block machining process may have allowed the main oil galley to exceed specification, resulting in an insufficient seal of the main oil galley plug. An insufficient seal at the main oil galley plug may result in an oil leak from the engine block. Before demonstrating or delivering any in-stock vehicles involved in this program, dealers are to replace the engine assembly. This service must be performed on all affected vehicles at no charge to the customer. And here's your affected build dates. Right here. So if you had an Explorer that was from the Chicago plant in 23, December 5th of 2022 through January 24th, 2023 is your build date, that you will get an engine replacement. Broncos from Michigan, 2023, December 3rd, 2022 through December 5th, 2022. So only 2 days right there. You will get a new engine. Rangers, built in Michigan, December 8th of 2022, just that one single day, you will get a new engine. So if you have a Bronco, it's only those 2 days that it was built, you're going to get a new engine. If you have a Ranger, it was only that one day that it was built, you're going to get a new engine. And if you have an Explorer from December 5th to January 24th, you are going to get a new engine. And that is roughly, a month and a half, a little bit more. Yeah, so there's your build dates. You're getting an engine replacement because of a mishap with a tooling issue from the factory. So sorry to inconvenience you guys, but yeah. And for the techs that are wondering how much time you're going to get, let's look at that real quick, because on the bottom it says the parts that you're going to need on your parts list. Or they might make you look up the parts list actually on this one. It says, look, let me flip. It says you get 16 hours to do the 4x4 Explorer engine assembly. You get 14 and a half to do the two-wheel drive Explorer engine assembly. You get 12.6 to do the one in the Bronco 4x4. You get 14 hours to do the two-wheel drive one in the Ranger, and 14.7 to do the 4x4 in the Ranger. And the dressed engine assembly, engine exchange is the 6007 number down here. Wow. Isn't that good? But probably wasn't that many. Who knows? I mean, that was a month time on that 2.3 liter Ecoboost going to that Explorer 4x4. That's a big thing for Ford to eat all that because of a tooling issue. Well, I hope you guys find this informative. And if you're wondering what the campaign extended coverage program 23B08 is, That's what it is. Thanks. You may have seen this on your Ford Pass app. That's the explanation. You're getting a new engine. So, with that being said, I hope you have a great day.